If you live in a hurricane-prone area, or you're just looking to be better prepared, this video is for you. Today we're breaking down exactly how to prepare for a hurricane, from making an emergency plan to getting your home and car ready. Don't wait until it's too late. Let's dive in. The first and most important step in hurricane preparedness is to create a comprehensive emergency plan. Here's what you need to do. Know your evacuation zone and routes. Visit your local government website or FEMA's evacuation zone map. If an evacuation order is given, you'll need to move fast. Designate a safe shelter location. Choose a place away from flood-prone areas. This could be a friend's home on higher ground or a designated shelter. Set up communication methods. Cell networks often fail in disasters. Agree on a meeting point and use text messaging or apps like Zello to stay in touch. Include your pets. Not all shelters accept animals. Make arrangements for your pets ahead of time. Don't leave them behind. It might feel like overkill to plan this all out now, but trust me, when the wind picks up and the alerts start coming in, you'll be thankful you did. Next, let's build your emergency supply kit. This should include the essentials you'll need to survive for at least 3 to 7 days. Water, 1 gallon per person per day. Food. Stock up on non-perishable goods like canned beans, granola bars, peanut butter, and dried fruit. Flashlights and batteries. Power will likely go out. Don't rely on candles. Flashlights are safer. First aid kit. Include any prescription meds, over-the-counter painkillers, bandages, and antiseptics. Important documents. Keep things like IDs, insurance papers, and medical records in a waterproof container. Cash, ATMs, and card readers may be down. Always keep small bills on hand. Think of your supply kit as your survival lifeline. Store it in a place that's easy to grab if you need to leave fast. Hurricanes can cause devastating damage, so securing your home is critical. Board up windows and doors. Use storm shutters or plywood. Clear the yard. Bring in patio furniture, grills, and anything else that can turn into a flying projectile. Inspect the roof and gutters. Clear debris and repair any damage to prevent leaks. Fill bathtubs and buckets with water. If water service is interrupted, this can be used for sanitation. A little prep now can prevent thousands of dollars in damage, or even save your life. And don't forget about your car. You might need to evacuate quickly. Fill up your gas tank early. Long lines and shortages happen fast. Pack an emergency kit for your car. Include water, snacks, flashlight, phone charger, and a map in case GPS fails. No alternate routes. Flooded roads or traffic jams can derail your plan. Always have a backup. Your car is your escape route. Keep it ready, keep it stocked, and keep it full. Hurricane season doesn't wait, and neither should you. Take the time to make your emergency plan, build your supply kit, and get your home and vehicle storm ready. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more emergency prep and safety tips. And remember, prepare today so you're safe tomorrow.